Oh no! A big flood has damaged the underground pipe. Digger Max, we need your help. The underground pipe is broken. We need to dig carefully right here, Digger Max.
With a mighty scoop, Digger Max starts to dig. Chomp, chomp. And aeration. There it is, the broken underground pipe.
Honk, honk! New pipes arriving.
Careful now, broken pipe.
Perfect! That's it, Digger Max. Time to make it all neat and tidy.
Time to make it all neat and tidy.
Perfect! It looks absolutely perfect.
Narration. Digger Max and Tip Truck Tim felt so proud of their hard work!
Thanks to teamwork and hard work, the underground pipe was fixed, and the flood was no match for our construction heroes. You two deserve a big celebration. Another job well done. Time to go home, you two. You earned it.
And so, Digger Max and Tip Truck Tim headed home, ready for their next big adventure.
The flood's damage was completely reversed, thanks to our amazing construction team.
Now, everyone can enjoy the park again, thanks to a perfectly fixed pipe.
Hooray for Digger Max, Tip Truck Tim, and Foreman Fiona. They saved the day.
What a magnificent job! The ground is good as new, all thanks to our incredible team.
You did a fantastic job, Digger Max. High five for the best excavator.
No one would ever know a flood caused such a big problem here. Our heroes fixed it perfectly.
The children play happily, never knowing the amazing work that happened right beneath their feet.
Digger Max and Tip Truck Tim are always ready for their next big mission, helping to build and fix wherever they're needed.
After a long day of hard work, it's time for our construction heroes to rest and recharge for tomorrow's adventures.
Remember, teamwork and hard work can fix anything. What big problems can YOU help solve today?
Our amazing construction vehicles are always ready for their next big challenge, ready to dig, haul, and build.
Hip hip hooray for the best construction team! We fixed it! The world is a better place when we work together. See you on the next adventure.
Oh no!
Splash, splash, flood so wide, water stops.
Oh dear! Oh my!
Pipe goes cracked beneath the ground, no fresh water